All right, folks, today we're working on a 2022 Ford Ranger. The particular spot we're working with is this tail lamp right here. As you can see, it has a nasty crack in the bottom of it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over and we're gonna replace this tail light in this video today. So tools that we're gonna be using today is this 8mm socket and potentially a little pry tool. To pull this tail light off, you need to open up the tailgate. You need to come over here and you got this bolt and this bolt. They are a 8mm one and 8mm number two. If you have a electronic ratchet, this job is much quicker. Even with normal manual ratchet, it's a pretty quick job. So we're just gonna throw this over here. There's the first bolt or screw. And obviously you want to be careful because you can just see this whole tail light just popped literally out of place. It has this one screw holding it in, so I'm gonna pull that out. I'm gonna hold on to this light right here. As you can see, it's a little bit frosty. Literally just fell out of spot. So the tail light has this pin, has another pin here. Most of these pins are just guide pins that go into these holes right here. 1, 2, and then there's another one up here at the top. And so sometimes they'll help hold the tail light in, but in this case, when we loosened the two screws, it just literally almost fell out. Now we're looking at the back side of the tail light. We got this connector right here. We want to pull this red tab back, and then we want to disconnect it. It's just like that. Press down, sometimes pushing in and then pulling out. It makes it come out very easy. Now that we have the tail light out, we want to go ahead and we actually want to remove this module right here. This is for the blind spot monitor. And so we're going to undo these 4 screws right here. And with these 4 screws out, we'll pull this module out and we're going to put it into the new tail light. All right, now to pull these screws out right here, we got a 7mm. So we're going to pull these guys out. There's 4 screws right there that hold them in. Now we're going to pull out this module. And it does have a connector right up here. So it's actually loose. However, this metal bracket right here is stopping this connector from sliding out. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to find 2 Torx and remove these 2 star bolts, pull this module out, and then disconnect it. All right, I got this little Torx tool right here. What we're going to be using today is the T20. So we'll pull that out just like that. We'll stick it in right there. Loosen that guy up. Loosen that guy up. Now we'll just pull these screws right out. At this point, we should be able to separate just like that. And this connector just fell right out. So typically it's like this. At this point, you would just press down on this end right here, pull it out, boom. Now this whole tail light is trash. I'm gonna throw it away and go get a new one. Here we got our new tail light. We're just gonna leave this plastic on while we're installing the module back in. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna reconnect this blind spot module right back in. You wanna make sure it clicks in place. You wanna connect it first, but then we're gonna put it back into this module. And then we're gonna take our 2 screws and put them back in right there. So here's our first screw. Here's our second screw. And we want to take the T20 right there. We want to tighten this bad boy up. There we go. We want to make it snug. We don't want to over tighten it because it will break either the plastic module, and these modules are not cheap. So be forewarned. Tighten up this screw. There we go. Now we're going to take this module right here. We're going to put it back in place. We're going to make sure all the wires are tucked inside good. Neat. Now we want to make sure right here is a little pinhole, little guide pin, and same at the bottom. And that will line up all the screw holes. So now we'll take the 4 screws. You know, we're just going to start them by hand, which might be a little more difficult. There we go. We're going to use the automatic ratchet. There we go. We don't want to over tighten those either because we don't want to break the casing. Okay, now at this moment, we got everything situated back together. We got the guide pins right here, and then we got the 2 screw holes. We're going to take off this cover. We're going to mount this back on the truck. Okay, we're going to start with plugging this pigtail back in. We'll listen for it to click, and we'll push that red tab back in. Okay, then we'll come over here, and we're gonna line up these pins right here with these holes. So we got the bottom one in, we got the upper one in. I'm just checking the sides to make sure the cable that we just connected doesn't completely get destroyed. And then, there we go. There we go. So now we got everything back into place. Now we're gonna go ahead and put these screws back in. And these are those 8mm. Got the bottom one, upper, and now we're going for the bottom. All right, now we're gonna check the new tail light. Boom. Everything works perfect. And that, my folks, is how you replace a rear tail light on a 22 Ford Ranger.